Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to connect your TapSwap to your Tonkeeper wallet. It's a quick and simple tutorial, so make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video. Now, once you have opened up your TapSwap, you will see all of these options like tasks and so on and so forth. But you will actually see in the corner, right corner, connect wallet. So that's what you want to go ahead and click on. Now you will should see actually your Tonkeeper at the first one basically, but there's also some other wallets as you can see. So I'm just gonna click on Tonkeeper and click yes. My Tonkeeper wallet now has opened up, and you will see this option connect to TapSwap AI. So you want to go ahead and click connect to wallet. And now that's basically it. Now you will need to basically just wait a little bit for it to load up. But as you saw, it's all connected on Tonkeeper, and that's how you do this. So if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.